How to contact customer support on 4T Trader. Are you on 4T Trader and need help with your account deposits or trades? Do not worry, contacting customer support is quick and easy. First of all, launch open the 4T Trader application on your smartphone and log into your account. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner, and from your account page, scroll down and tap on customer support. In the customer support page, you can go ahead and enter the subject or question in the text box at the top. Enter the subject you need help with from the customer support team, and then describe your problem in the description box. Make sure to give a detailed description for your problem. You can also include details such as your description of the problem. If you prefer speaking with someone, you can also write it down in the description box here. And then finally submit your issue by tapping the submit button at the bottom. The customer support will get back to you whenever they can to help you with account or platform issues. So that's how you can easily contact 4T Trader customer support whenever you need assistance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.